Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ms. Daviana.
All right, today we're going to be discussing qualitative and quantitative data. I know we might not know those words, they sound really long, there are a lot of syllables, but that's okay, we're gonna go through each one. So, our objective for today, we will learn the difference between qualitative and quantitative data. Good job, it's well written your name and dates at the top, good job. The second objective, we will understand how this is used in and outside of class. I know this seems like a very sciencey topic, but that's fine. We can apply this both in the classroom whenever we're doing our experiments and outside of the classroom. Sounds good so far? Thumbs up if you understand.
Sounds good.
Wait on one. Oh, cool. Thank you. All right, so quantitative data. I want you to listen very carefully, and we're going to be filling in on our papers. Quantitative data is data that is numerical or represented with numbers. I'm going to repeat that one more time. Data that is numerical or represented with numbers. All right, pencils down when you're ready to move on. All right, cool, thank you. All right, second, we have qualitative data. There's also a definition that you're gonna write down for this one. This is data that is based on a quality, characteristic, or preference. All right, good job, Deja. Good job, Stassi. Good job, Oliver. All right, cool. Pencils down when you're ready to move on. All right, cool. So based on those two definitions that we have, can anyone give me an example of quantitative data?
Number of M&Ms in my pocket.
Good choice. Make sure we're raising our hands up, okay? All right, cool. So number of M&Ms. Do we have any other examples? Oh, Oliver?
The number of minutes in an hour.
Oh, good job. Number of minutes in an hour. Some people forget about time. Good choice. All right, so now that we have quantitative data, what about qualitative data? Any examples from that? Dave, we haven't heard from you.
Would the colors of my shirt be that?
Yes, of course. Good job. All right, cool. I'm actually glad you brought that up because now we're going to go through some examples. Oh, no, it sounds scary. Examples, no. It's going to be fine. So, would anyone like to anyone like to give me an example of a temperature that would be still considered quantitative data? Shout out a random temperature.
75.
75, yes. Any temperature would be still considered quantitative data. Okay, so if you look down at your papers, we have examples of different things that may be quantitative or qualitative data. What about the amount of chairs in this room? Would that be quantitative or qualitative? Yes, Stassi?
Quantitative.
Oh, good job. How did you know that?
Because when I look around the room, I can count 1, 2, 3 chairs. That's a number.
All right, good job. All right, so what about the next thing on your paper? Deja, could you actually read that one aloud and answer it, please?
Colors of your own shirt.
Okay, and what would be the answer to that?
Well, for me, I have a black and white shirt on, so that would be 2.
Oh, almost.
Almost?
So you said black and white on your shirt. And is that a number or is it a characteristic?
It's a characteristic.
Yes, so that would make it what type of data?
Qualitative.
Ooh, good job, good job.
Mm.
Okay, so what about the subjects taught in school? What type would that be? Oliver?
That would be qualitative.
Ooh, good job, good job. And lastly, what about the length of this table? Would that be qualitative or quantitative? Deja?
Quantitative.
Good job. Y'all doing a great job. Y'all have this. Okay, so this can be used in real life in different ways. So let's say you want to buy a Nintendo Switch. I know, we all love video games. So a Nintendo Switch, we have one on this side that is black and it has 16 gigabytes of data. Iffy. And then we have another one over here that has 32 gigabytes of data and it's your favorite colors, red and blue. Which would you choose in this situation? Maybe talk with your partner. Raise your hand if you have an answer. Which one would you choose, guys? Do we have a choice?
We're thinking 32.
Oh, what made you think the 32?
Just because
a bigger number than 16?
Ooh, I'm glad you said number. Because yes, 32, we like storage, we like a lot of it, and we used our numbers, our quantitative data, to come to that conclusion and say, hey, I want the one with larger storage. So good job. So now I'm gonna teach y'all a wonderful song. That way we can remember these, because these two words sound really similar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you look down at your papers. We have the song written down. It's a repeat after me. I'm gonna say one line, and you all will say the next, okay?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
I'm also going to do hand movements, and I want you to imitate me. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Okay. So the first line is qualitative, qualitative.
Qualitative, qualitative.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Qualitative, qualitative.
Qualitative, qualitative.
What do you see?
What
do
do
you
you
see?
see?
All right, good. We have the first one down. Let's do the next one. Okay, we have quantitative, quantitative.
Quantitative, quantitative.
Count to three.
Count to three.
Quantitative, quantitative.
Quantitative, quantitative.
It's how we count our money.
It's how I count our money.
Good job. All right, one last part. I know y'all can do it. Okay. With quality, we have to use our five senses.
With quality, we have to use our five senses.
But with quantity, it's how they count our teeth at the dentist.
And the quantity is how they count our teeth
at the dentist.
Yes, good job. Give yourself a hand. Yes. Good job, students. And that's all.